गोंय सरकाराचे जोड पालवान गोमंतक टीव्ही घडोवन हाडटा नवनिर्मितीचो ध्यास घेतिल्ले कर्तृत्ववान इंजिनियर्सांचो भोवमान सुवाळो. गोमंतक टीव्ही इंजिनियरिंग एक्सलन्स अवॉर्ड 2024.
I feel very proud to have received this award from Gomantak TV as an engineer from Goa, and having built an institution which is at a global level called Mastech, and also another company we built called Majesco. Both of them have software development customers all over the world in US, UK, where we are making great difference to communities, citizens and business. So the Engineer Excellence Award gives me a satisfaction to look back and feel good about being an engineer. So Gomantak TV, I must congratulate for doing this, because it will inspire many other people to become engineers in the new era of tomorrow. So thanks Gomantak TV, appreciate.